pop that thing open?
Oh, sure, you betcha.
Oh man, look at that. Are you ready?
I'm as ready as I can be.
All right, let's do it.
Here you go. 1966 Mustang Coupe, 289. It's got a 3-speed. It's a beautiful gray with metal flake, white painted stripes.
Who are we? I forgot our names.
Oh, I'm Christopher, and that is Jake behind the camera. And this is the 66 Mustang with the fog lamps, the upgraded GT style fog lamps. We got Magnaflow exhausts, upgraded 4-wheel disc brakes, radial tires, 15-inch American racing wheels. It's beautiful. Gray with metal flake, white stripes, red vinyl in the interior, 3-speed on the floor. Look how beautiful it is. Nicely restored car. Wood trim steering wheel, as you can see in here.
We also have an upgraded AM/FM AUX radio, and it looks like we have newer speakers back here.
Looks newer.
But look at this interior.
They did a very good job when they restored this car. It looks really, really nice.
It does. Wood rim steering wheel, red interior.
You gotta love it.
Good
You've
stuff.
got to love it. Man, we need to take this for a ride this morning.
Sounds good to me.
I don't know why you have your coat on. It's beautiful out.
Yeah, I'll take it off. Also, quick question.
Shoot.
If people like these videos, what should they do?
They should like and subscribe immediately, if not sooner.
And hit the bell so you get notified when we make a new one.
You have to hit the bell.
Okay.
The bell's the only way to do it.
Sir?
Sounds great, doesn't it?
The Magnaflow is good.
It's the only way to do it.
Are you ready to go?
I am. Is she ready to go?
3-speed on the floor.
You gotta love a good old 3-speed. Usually it's a 3 on a tree. I like it on the floor.
And you can't even tell that this radio is upgraded. AM/FM
Looks
in an
so
aux. It
real.
looks like an old Mustang radio still, and I like that. Oh, we have heat.
We do.
We have heat. That's nice. We won't need it today. It's a little bit warmer. But it is good to have.
It is.
And look, very nice Mustang gauges.
Beautiful gauges for a beautiful day.
Absolutely. All of them work as well, which is another
Nice.
great thing. I like a silver car with red interior.
It's the only way it should be done.
It's just classy, isn't it?
Nice.
Oh, it drives good.
Sure does. It's got some free holies.
And we have real back seats for real people.
I like real people.
You could fit actual adult-sized people back there.
You can.
Which is
It's
nice.
a great car. I love it. I love the color combo.
Oh, we got to get through the cones again.
The cones of destiny. I hate
The cones
these
of
things.
destiny. I like that name better.
Yeah.
Than the cones of doom.
The doom. I want to be positive about it. Oh, wow.
You know, this 289 seems like it makes a pretty good amount of power.
Sure does.
It's a small little engine, but it's
It's a little engine that can.
a little engine that can.
I like it.
Oh.
Tell me. Oh, we've got an ashtray and a
We
lighter.
have a cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking. Don't smoke, kids.
Don't do it.
And then, yes, we have an ashtray as well.
You can put your cell phone there.
Yes, don't smoke.
And don't text and drive for the love of life.
And we also have this sweet-looking cowl hood. You can see the air cleaner through it, which is kind of cool. And look at those white stripes. That is nice. I love the Mustang with stripes.
I do too, and I like a 66 Coupe. We don't see that many of them here.
It's just cool.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's a nice, nice car. Love the metal flake.
Like the wood grain steering wheel. That's a nice touch.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's got a lot of metal flake. And the silver almost has like a bluish, purplish tinge to it. When you look at it sometimes.
It's, you know, I'm the colorblind guy, but I like it. I like it the way it is.
It almost looks like there's a little bit of color in that metal flake. It's really nice.
Of course.
Oh, the red light.
Of course.
That's okay.
Oh, what is that?
We can take a moment. Oh, nice glove box. Very nice. And look, we even got nice floor mats down here that say Mustang on them. So you don't get your nice red carpet dirty. And even the shift knob says Ford Racing on it. So it must be fast.
Oh, I believe it is kind of fast. It's got beans, or frijoles.
It does absolutely have beans, or frijoles.
Oh, or frijoles. I like being bilingual. Oh, this guy is driving slow. I hope he turns left or right at our wonderful stop sign of destiny.
Our wonderful stop sign of destiny.
I like taking off of these things.
We're almost to the stop sign of destiny.
We're close. We're dangerously close.
We are close.
It's a little chilly this morning.
That's okay. It's a little bit cool. It's still around 50 degrees here in Missouri.
I dare call it brisk.
Missouri. Sorry, Dad. He got mad when I said Missouri last time in the video.
Oh, did he?
Yes, he did.
Dad's critiquing. Good. Good for you, Dad.
Oh, we're at our stop sign.
We sure are.
We're going to let this guy go, and it's time for a bean test.
There's a police officer test.
Oh!
That guy's had better days.
There's a man on the side of the road, or else we'd give it more beans, but that was actually pretty good.
It was. I mean, I wasn't really trying too hard because you don't have to. It's a light car.
That's a good amount of, it's not a heavy car. Good amount of beans, 289.
Good amount of beans. I love the 289.
And honestly, I like the 3-speed. You don't need more than 3 gears. It cruises nice in third.
Now, if you're going on the highway, I would not, if you're going 14 hours in a car, this wouldn't be the one, but if you're going to cruise around at different little car shows, this is the car, because it's cool looking.
All right.
You never see them.
Ready for some flybys?
Flybys, not the other way.
Yes.
I'll never make that mistake again. Beautiful day to drive a 66 Mustang Coupe.
This thing makes some frijoles.
And it does, and it makes a lot of cool noises. You need to drive it back, Jake.
I will drive it back.
Let's do it.